Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to get notified when members or your friends in Microsoft Teams when they are available. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Microsoft Teams desktop application and then just connect with your Microsoft Teams account or Outlook account, and then just follow the simple steps. So basically, after you succeed in running your application, you will need just to go to the chat bar or to the chat page. Here in the navigation bar, you are just going to search for chat and click on it. And basically here you will find all your friends. So let's just choose, for example, someone who is still away, and as you can see, this person is not available. So basically, to get notified when they are available, all you need is to right click on it, or you can just click on this 3 points action and click on it, and then you will find notify when available. So basically, when they are going to get available or they will be online, you will get a notification that this person has connected to their account, and so you can start chatting with them or just to know that they are online. You can do this with everything that you have here in your chat. You can just go to the person that you want, right click on them, and then just click on notify when available. And this way you will get the notification when they are going to be online in Microsoft Teams account. So basically, this is how you can get notified when people are connected in their account or their Microsoft Teams account. Thank you for watching and see you next time.